नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराध लक्ष्य क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो मम नस्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Naran Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So now our Purushottam Mass is going on, and all you also heard about the glories of Purushottam Mass. So just only few words I repeat to you and remind to you. And because this Purushottam Mass name is called also Adhik Mass, Mal Mass, Purushottam Mass, and we also discuss these things. And, and so in this Purushottam Mass, the Lord Krishna himself, he is the presiding deity of Purushottam Mass, and Kartik Mass, who is the presiding deity of Srimati Radhika. There is Ujjabrata, Ujjeshwari, Srimati Radhika. So Gurudev again and again he also told to us to everybody have to observe and Purushottam Mass, Purushottam Brata. This is very important because this Purushottam Mass is not coming every year. Just after 3 years, almost after 3 years, Purushottam Brat is coming. And so Purushottam Kshetra also, the Jagannath Puri's name is called Purushottam Kshetra. Lord Jagannath, he resides in Purushottam Kshetra, that is called Jagannath Kshetra, Purushottam Kshetra, Purushottam Kshetra, and different name also in there. Actually, that is called the Dwarkadhish Krishna also. And because Krishna is one, and according to Tattva Siddhanta, there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. That means you should not discriminate the Vrinandana Samsundar and Jagannath Dev. And Otherwise, you will committed offense. Offense is aparad. But so for this regards, regards Siddhanta Tattva Vedusu Opi Sisa Krishna. Prashna Utkrishate. Krishna Rasa Eva Sthiti. Only Rasvichar, there are some speciality of Krishna. Krishna has 64 qualities, 64 gun. But according to Chaushat Gun, according to 64 qualifications, 4 qualifications very unique and unparalleled, only in Krishna. That is called Prema Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, and Rupa Madhurya. So, so all Bhagavad avatar, all the incarnation of Lord, they are non-different from Krishna. Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamana Tishtan Nana Avataro Makaro Bhuvanesu Kintu Krishna San Karma Abhat Parama Pumanajo Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami. Brahma Samhita also explained this way. Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamanatistan Nana Avataro Makrod Bhuvanesu Kintu. Ram, Nisingha, Kolki, Baraha, Matsya, Kurma, all the incarnation, they also manifested from Krishna. And they are also non-different from Krishna also. Yatha Diparchi Reva. Yatha Diparchi Reva means if you put fire the one candle and 100 candles and light, but same are that the light are same. You put the 100 100 candle Mombati and put the fire, but same fire is there. But according to their ability, that fire, that the light also illuminated. Just give an example. One very what is it called? Thick, mota, thick candle. You put the fire, that the big light is coming in this way. One very small skinny candle, if you put the fire, light also coming, but that is not same equal of the before thick candle. But light is same. In the same way, Lord, He is Bhagavan. So Jatha Diparchi Reva. In Brahma Samhita also explain this thing. Because our one conclusion always remember, Iswarer Bhed Manile Hoy Aparad. If you think Krishna is one is separate one Bhagavan, and Ram is separate one Bhagavan, and Vishnu is separate one Bhagavan. So this is called offenses aparad. So saying Iswarer Bhed Manile Hoy Aparad. So don't you to discriminate the any form of the Lord. Just they also manifest their varieties, activities, and Lila Madhurya. But Krishna Lila is a supreme. So now coming in this way, I am saying because we are observing the Purushottam Vrat. Maybe some unified devotees, their mind will be confused. Oh, we are the devotee of Krishna Bhajanana Samsundar. We are the devotee of Srimati Radhika. We want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. So why will we observe Purushottam Vrat? Because he is Purushottam. That is just also his name is called Darkadhish Krishna. Jagannath, his name also Purushottam. We are going to Purushottam Kshetra. You cannot say this way. But one thing, Purushottam Kshetra, Lord Jagannath, he is feeling pain of separation from Brajavasis. You cannot imagine what can be. Ramchandra, though he felt some separation from Ajodhya Basi, and when Ramchandra was in the forest exile, he also felt something. But Jagannath, Purushottam Kshetra Jagannath, you cannot imagine what kinds of he felt pain of separation from Brajavashi. So the some you be compared with the other incarnation of Lord, and especially Ramchandra. Just as I told, Ramchandra, when he was in forest, sometimes he also cried, sometimes he also remembering to Ajodhya Vasi. This is true. In Ramayana you can see, and when Ramchandra left Ajodhya, yeah, and exiled in the forest, that time he also took some piece of what is called mud, dust from Ajodhya, and he always keeping with him. And he was saying, this is the personification of Ajodhya Dham. Ramayana also explains these things. Because Lord Ramchandra, he has so much love and affection with his motherland. For this regard, in our Shastra also explained, Janani Januhunischa Sargadapi Goriyosi. Mother and motherland is higher than the heaven. So in this the Proverbs explained this way, Lord Ramchandra he also felt pang of separation from Ajodhya Dham and Ajodhya Vasis and crying for Ajodhya Vasis. Sometimes he cried, and if one by one day he is counting when when he's when he will return back to Ajodhya after 14 years finished, then return back to Ayodhya. In the same way, when you compare with Krishna, Darkadhish Krishna, and Darkadhish Krishna, he is always crying and remembering the Brajavasis. And my this regard, Lord Krishna, when he was staying in Mathura, actually this is Mathura also is called the part of Dwarka also. Though in our you are saying the three dhams, Mathura, Dwarka, Vrindavan, but actual there are no difference between Mathura and Dwarka because Krishna took all the residents of Mathura and brought in uh, in Dwarkapuri in there also. So sometimes you also according to Tattva, sometimes you think actually there are no difference between Dwarkapuri and Mathurapuri also. But just simply, but little bit fine, Sukshma Vichar is there. What is that? According to the Rasa Vichar, when the Mathura and Dwarka, the four and Vrindavan, the three dhamas, Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama. And Vrindavan is called Purnatama Dham, or Purnatara, that is called Mathura, and Purnadham, that is called Dwarakapuri. Actually, why we are using this word Purna, Purnatara, and Purnatama? According to that, depend on Madhurya, manifestation of Madhurya and Oishwarya. माधुर्य ऐश्वर्य प्रकाश के तारतम्य के अनुसार इसके पूर्ण पूर्णतर और पूर्णतम कहा गया. You understand why you are using this? That the Dwarka is called Purna, Mathura is called Purnatara, or Vrindavan is called Purnatama. Why you are using this full or fullest? Purna, Purnatara, Purnatama. Why you are using this word? Using this word Purna depend on his Oishwarjan Madhurya Prakash. In Dwarka, most of the Oishwarya Prakash is there, manifestations of opulence. Or Mathura, the opulence is there. Also, Madhurjan opulence almost and what is called and almost same. Just maybe for 55 or 55 and 45%. Understand? And this is the difference. Our Vrindavan Dham full of Madhurjan Oishwarya also. And that Oishwarjan Madhurya full of in there. And that is called Purnatama. But in Vrindavan, that Oishwarya opulence covered with Madhurya. For this regard, we are saying Vrindavan Dham is called Madhurjatama Dham. and Purnatama Dham. Many people, they don't know why you are using this word, the Purna, Purnatama and Purnatama. Brihad Bhagavatam, Sanatana Goswami, all these things also are very clearly explained. I know many people, they don't know why you are saying the Dwarka is called Purna Dham, Mathura is called Purnatama Dham, Purnatara Dham, and Vrindavan is called Purna Tamadham. Why you are using this word? Positive degree, comparative degree, and then superlative degree. Why are you using these three types of degrees in there? Actually depend on the manifestation of opulence and sweetness. This is the thing. So I am saying the Purushottam Dham, that is called Jagannath Puri. And Jagannath Puri also part of Dwaraka. And sometimes also you use this one, Jagannath Puri also belongs to also in Mathura, because all Mathura Vasis, they also attend there. So Mathura Dham, Vrindavan Dham, and what is called Dwaraka Dham is non-different. Only Rasa Vichar, some speciality is there. Same Krishna. Krishna is one. So for this regard, using this word, and Purushottam Brata. That is, so why I am saying this Purusha Uttamam, that means Krishna himself, and how he is feeling pang of separation from Brajavasi. Now he is staying in Jagannath Puri. Because Jagannath Puri, one name is called Purushottam Dham. Jagannath, as so Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj explained, if you go Jagannath Puri, at a time you can to see the two Virahini, two Murti there. Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha, Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. That means Krishna, he is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is feeling pang of separation from Krishna. In Purushottam Khetra, this is also, this mood is there. So there are no difference between Krishna and Dwarkadhish Krishna, Mathuradhish Krishna, and Vrindavan Krishna. This is Tattva Vichar. Rasa Vichar, just we are also explaining. Same, all the parikars also be going there also. Understand this? Nanda Jasoda, Nanda Jasoda's is eternal mother and father of Varinandana Samsundar. By his manifestation Prakash, that is called Devaki and Vasudev. They are staying in there. And also in the same way, the queens of Dwaraka, they are queens of Dwaraka, they are non-different from Gopis. Srimati Radhika herself, her manifestation, her Prakash, that is called Satyabhama. Rukmini, her manifestation, that is called Chandravali. So in this way, Vidagdha Madhav Natak, Lalit Madhav Natak, Srila Rupa Goswami very nicely and clearly explain all these tattva. And also Brihad Bhagavatam, Sanatana Goswami also explained this tattva also. And especially according to the stage of sadhak drishti. Sadhak have to always feel separation from Krishna. Understand? And those who are siddha, they are thinking, no, Krishna have to feeling separation from Radhika. This is called the vision of siddha. Those who are eternal Srimati Radhika, they are thinking, my Samini Srimati Radhika, she will not feeling separation from Krishna. Who will feel separation from Krishna? Krishna himself. Varinandana Samsundar Krishna. He have to feel separation from Krishna. Separation from Radhika, Srimati Radhika. This is very important, because this philosophy everybody cannot understand. our Goswami is also explained this way. Eh? The Srimati Radhika, she will not feel separation from Krishna. But if we say, oh, Srimad Bhagavatam also explain so many separation mood of Srimati Radhika ji is there. Actual, for this regard, Sanak Samhita and Padma Purana, other Puranas explain the origin Srimati Radhika. This is called by Vishwanu Nandini Srimati Radhika. And Vishwanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, the daughter of Vishwanu Maharaj, Srimati Radhika, she is always staying in Vrindavan with Krishna. For this regard, this sloka also says Vrindavanam Paritajam Padam Ekam Nagachati. Krishna says, who Krishna says? Vrindavan Krishna, he says, I never go out one step out of Vrindavan. Always I am staying in Vrindavan. In the same way, Vishwanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, the daughter of Srimati, is the daughter of Vishwanu Maharaj, Srimati Radhika, she always staying with Krishna. And just by Jog Maya, sometimes they are also when she attend in the stage of Madanakka Mahava meeting, separation meeting, that is for the Lila Madhurja. So now coming in this way, Vishwanu Nandini Srimati Radhika's two manifestations, Prakash. One is called Samjogini Radha and another is called Vyogini Radha. Samjogini Radha, she went in Dwaraka or Kurukshetra and different place also. And this is also mentioned in our Shastra also. And Vyogini Radha, who feels separation from Krishna, and that means Srimati Vishwanu Nandini Srimati Radhika manifestation. And Vyogini Radha, she was staying in and Uddhav carried. Understand? This is the thing. So now coming in this way, why I am saying because Tattva Siddhanta first. Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, and Dhama Tattva. And when you understand this Tattva, then all your problem will be solved. Otherwise, many questions will come if you not understand these things. So first you enter in this philosophy. Krishna, he is one. Ekameva Parama Tattam. He is only one, absolutely truth. Bhajanandan Samsundar. He is many Prakash. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is the only one potency of Krishna. And Krishna Sarup Shakti Radhi Shakti Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, she also manifested many her manifestation, Prakash. And that is the first I also told the Samjogini Radha, Vyogini Radha. Then Srimati Radhika, for the Krishna pleasure, also manifested three forms in Vaikuntha. And all the Lakshmis, they also manifested from Srimati Radhika. In Dwaraka, Srimati Radhika, she also manifested all the queens of Dwaraka. And are the gopis in Vrindavan, all the gopis, they also manifestation from Srimati Radhika. So in this way, Krishna is called Sarva Avatari. Krishna is called the source of all incarnation. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is called the Sarva Avatarini. That means all the Lakshmi is gone. All the Lakshmi is manifested from Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Chaitamritam very clearly explained this philosophy. And so now coming to Purushottam Bharat, why am I saying we have Purushottam Bharat means Krishna Bharat also. But which Krishna? Darkadhis Krishna, who is feeling pain of separation from Srimati Radhika. This is our tattva. Because before I told, Gaudiya Vaishnava always thinking, if Srimati Radhika, she would not feel separation from Krishna. But Krishna have to feel separation from Radhika. This is our Gaudiya Siddhanta. Because you may be asking why Srimati Radhika, she is feeling separation from Krishna. Because without separation, the meeting will be not realizable and complete. So for this regard, Tattva Siddhanta also explained in Siddha, क्या बोले और ये श्लोक न बिना विप्रलम्बेन सम्भुग न बिना विप्रलम्बेन सम्भुग पुष्टि मस्नुते. This vipralamba, that means separation, nourishment, the Milan, Sambhog. For this, we are Jogmasi arrange this way. But Varnandana Samsundar and Srimati Radhika, they are always staying in Golok Vrindavan and they are always enjoying many kinds of sweet pastimes in there. But according to Rasa Vichar, when Madanakha Mahabhav coming, and Prem, Sneha, Man, Guna, Rag, Gunurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhira, Mohun, Madanakha Mahabhav. Then Madanakha Mahabhav, in that time Srimati Radhika, she is feeling separation from Krishna. That is called Prema Vachitta is there. That's what it means. Though there are no separation in the Madanakha Mahabhav, Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Bhagavad in his commentary explain in Madanaka Mahabhav Viraha Abhavat. And in Madanaka Mahabhav there are no Viraha. So why we are using this word Viraha? This Viraha actually Jogmasi arrange. And Krishna, that is called Prema Vaichitta is there. And Prema Vaichitta Srimati Radhika sees and laying down on the lap of Krishna. But she is feeling Krishna not with me. And Jogmasi arranged this way. Meeting together, but she is feeling I am not with Krishna. This is called the Madanakha Mahabhav stage. So different differences are these things. Our Acharyas explain this way. But now coming in this way, why we are observing Purushottam Vrat, Krishna? Because how Krishna is feeling separation from Krishna. And Gurudev told, Srimati Radhika, she did not send any messenger to Krishna. But Krishna, he also sent his messenger to Vrindavan to pacify to Brajavasi, especially Nanda, Jasoda and Srimati Radhika. Why? Because because Krishna is feeling so much pang of separation in his heart. So now coming this Purushottam Vrat means actual we also feeling separation and from Srimati Radhika. How Krishna is feeling pang of separation from Radha. Radhikar Viraha. Radhikar Virahe Ami Charito Deha Charito Satovar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, I can leave my body 100 times for the separation from Srimati Radhika. Actual when Krishna sent his messenger from Dwarka or Mathura to Vrindavan, that time Srimati Radhika's separation also was going more up and up. Give an example why? Because give an example, maybe you are carrying and 50 kilo and what is called some things on your head. But this is very heavy for you. But you are feeling so pain. But still you are coming. But when you come just in front of a doorway, just 1 second, you cannot tolerate. In the same way, the Srimati Radhika, she felt. Which Srimati Radhika? That is called Vyogini Srimati Radhika. Always remember the Sanjogini Radhika, not Vyogini Radhika. Vyogini Radhika, she felt pang separation from Krishna. And when the messenger came, Uddhav, that time Krishna is thinking, oh Krishna, he sent his one messenger to pacify to me. Then his man also was coming very up and up this way. Because Parakya Bhava, the Paramurmu, there are 4 things are this again. That is called Bammata. Bammata, this is very important. This is very powerful and what is called weapon of the Parakya ladies. And that is Parakya Bhava, Bammata. When Srimati Radhika, she heard the Uddhav has come from Mathura to pacify her man. And then Srimati Radhika's man also increased more and more. This is the thing also. And because Jogmaya arranged this way. Because without man, prem would be not suitable. And Krishna, he is very eager and also to see this how what kinds of man in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Eh, So we are also discussing different types of man, Lalit man, and another is called different kinds of man. Ujjal Nirmani also discuss this Udatto man, Lalit man. Srimati Radhika, this man is called Lalit man. Lalit man very beautiful, attractive. Chandravali and have their gopis also man, that is called Udattaman. So Udattaman and Lalitman. Lalitman in the heart of Srimati Radhika. And especially in that the rag also there. Maybe you understand not. Ujjal Nirmani explain in the rag that is a Manjistha rag. What I said? Manjistha rag. Manjistha rag, this is very powerful. Because sometimes we have to discuss about Ujjal Nirmani Grantha. Then this and what is called about understand this about this word. What is meaning of Manjistha rag, Kusumba rag, Manjistha rag, different rag also is there. That is called Sneha, Man, Prana, Rag, Unrag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udruda, Mohan, Madan, and Madanaka Mahabhav. And so rag, the rag means deep attachment also. And Kusumba rag, Manjistha rag, the Manjistha rag only in the group of Srimati Radhika. And but that rag will never destroyed and never changeable. And maybe one day we will discuss the Ujjal Nirmani, these types of rag also. Because this is very important. Yeah, why Srimati Radhika? She became very angry when he heard the Uddhav has come Mathura to Vrindavan to pacify to her. That time her Dibba transcendental madness also increased and top of the bottom. Sarvatya. Why? Because this Jogmaya arranged it. Because Uddhav has no knowledge. What kinds of Manjistha rag and what kinds of Dibba Unmadasa, transcendental madness. Dibba Unmadasa you might understand. But for the Manjistha rag, this very high level is this thing. So, though Krishna is Bhagavan, Raso Rasavaisa Jeva Labdhanandar Bhavati, but he is called Visay Vigraha, object of divine love. Krishna is called Visay Vigraha. Or Srimati Radhika, she is called shelter of divine love, Asara Vigraha. And for this regard, Krishna, he is thinking, how we will relish this highest Manjistha rag. Remember this rag name, Manjistha rag, from Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Krishna, he told Srimati Radhika, Bhav and Kanti. Radhikar Bhav Kanti Churi Kari Krishna Avatirna Haila Navadve Gaura Rupa Dhari. In Navadip Dham, Sachinandan Gaurhari, he appeared. Actually, he is Krishna, who stole Srimati Radhika's bhav and mood and complexion. Understand this thing? So why I am saying? Because Purushottam Krishna, that means Dwarkadhish Krishna, how he is feeling separation from Srimati Radhika. For this regard, his body completely were melted. That is called Jagannath Dev. Jagannath Puri, Jagannath Dham, Purushottam Dham. Why you are saying this? Because how Krishna he is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. And day and night, and Krishna is crying. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when you are staying in Jagannath Puri, and day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is thinking, I am Radha. Where is my beloved Krishna? And Radhikar Bhav Uddhav Darsane sei mata rahe Prabhu Ratri Dine. When Uddhav he came in Vrindavan, then Uddhav he saw how Srimati Radhika. Here, who is Srimati Radhika? That is called Vyogini Srimati Radhika. And how Vyogini Srimati Radhika? She is feeling pang of separation from Krishna. And actual, and Uddhav, he did not direct meet with Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika. Not possible. This is very important also. Because Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika, she is very confidential. And she will not see the face of another person's face. Parpur se pumuk kabhu na dekha. And she is Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika, she always meeting with Krishna. And Bhajana Nandan Vina nahi sparshan na jan. And even very difficult to take darshan her lotus feet also. Lotus feet. Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika's lotus feet are very rare to take darshan. Radhika, Srimati Radhika's charan darshan not so easy. But Uddhav, he also hankering how to receive one the sprinkle mercy of Vyogini Srimati Radhika. This is the dream. But Bhajanandan Samsundar Srimati Bhajanandan Samsundar console Bhajanandan Srimati Radhika. She is very confidential and not so easy to have. For this regard, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he quoted this verse. Jo Brahma Sukha Nada Bhishma Lakshi Ra Lakshita Nasasa Purushasya Tasya Saddo Vashikarana Ananda Sakti Tam Radhika Charana Renu Anusmarami. Jo Brahma Sukha Nada Bhishma Lakshi Ra Lakshita Nasasa Purushasya Tasya Saddo Vashikarana Ananda Sakti Tam Radhika Charana Renu Anusmarami. Why Prabhupada Saraswati Pad is he use this word? Because not so easy to take darshan. And Vishwanandini Srimati Radhika's lotus feet. And Brahma, Shiv, Narad, Jo Brahma, Sukha, Narada, Bhishma, Lakshi. They cannot also see. So how possible this way? And even demigods, they are thinking, oh, we have to go take darshan to Srimati Radhika lotus feet. But this is not possible. For this regard, Venugit one slok also Debba Vimana Gatayo Smaranu Sannamana. And when Krishna played the flute, then demigod and demigoddess, Dev and Devi Deviya, they also and proceed to take darshan to Krishna with their divine chariot. But when they came little bit far away, and that time they also completely went and fainted with their transcendental lust. Debba Vimano Gateo Unusunnamana. So try to understand Srimati Radhika lotus feet how is very rare for others. On those who have Purush Bhav means female mood or female form, they cannot see the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. This is the thing. So Dasya Vatsaladi nahi ये सब गोचर सबेक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला आस्वादाय. So maybe your question will come, Mother Jasoda, she saw Srimati Radhika lotus feet or not? Well, yes. But she saw Srimati Radhika lotus feet with her parental mood, Vatsalya Bhav. Kishori Srimati Radhika, lotus feet, not easy to see to others. So for the Dasya Vatsaladi nahi ये सब गोचर सबेक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला साधय. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, only those who are the mood of Srimati Radhika, female mood, and day and night absorbed with Srimati Radhika's mood, this is way. And then by the causeless mercy of Srimati Radhika, they can see Srimati Radhika lotus feet. Which Radhika? Here is according to the deviation of her age and Balla, Soisav, Koishor, Jovan, then Jovan also back to Jovan, Purna Jovan, and in this way different also deviation also explained. And so Srimati Radhika, that is called the that Srimati Radhika lotus feet when Krishna meet with when Krishna meet with Krishna, that is called her Bhakta Jovan or Bhakta Jovan. And Kishore also. And Kishore, she is Kishori. Krishna is called Kishore and youth. And Srimati Radhika, she is also Kishori. And so very difficult to take darshan to lotus feet of Srimati lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So Dwarkadhish Krishna, this is a Purushottam Krishna, but day and night feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Because Tattva Siddhanta is doing why he is feeling separation. Because remembering all the pastimes of Kunja Leela in Govardhan Kunja Leela, and Nunka Vihar, Jal Vihar, and different also Leelas in Vrindavan, that Leela, and so he knows everything because he knows everything. And for this regard, day and night, crying and crying. So finally, and when Krishna felt a pang of separation, Srimati Radhika, then Krishna's body completely melted. That is called Jagannath form. That is called Mahabhav Sthiti. Jagannath, when Krishna, this is the highest Mahabhav Sthiti. And how his body completely are melted. There is Mahabhav Sthiti. For this regard, Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, and he wrote very nice, beautiful this philosophy in his book, क्या नाम है? The embarkment of separation. And if you have this book, you can read, and very nicely he also explained this way, and how Srimati Radhika's prem is there. Highest prem, the last limit of prem of Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika's prem is there. And what kinds of prem in there? And because Krishna, he met with Srimati Radhika, so he knows. For this regard, he is remembering in Dwarkapuri and or Jagannath Puri, Srimati Radhika this mood, but he cannot express his heart. For this Tusanale Pore Jano Najai Jivan. And Chaitanya Charitamritam explain Tusanale Pure Jano. Tusanal means if you put the fire on the husk of the rice, there you can see the outside, inside all the husks burn, but apart and extend apart, the husk is not burned. Inside all the also the husk completely burned. So in this way, Chaitanya Charitamrita explain Krishna is Vrindavan, he is Krishna, but he is staying in Dwarkapuri or Jagannath Puri, but he is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika day and night, crying and crying. And He Radhe, He Lalite, He Vishekhe, day and night and crying. So then Purushottam Brat means, and you have to feeling separation from Srimati Radhika. And same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And or Krishna also he is feeling separation from Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is feeling separation from Krishna. So if you go to Jagannath Puri Purushottam Kshetra, at a time you can see the two separation Viraha. One is called Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna and Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. How they are feeling separation to each other. So Purushottam Brat means this one. And actually you feel separation more. Or this separation and nourishment of your meeting. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in our sadhana stage also explained every single sadhakas have to feeling separation from Krishna. And this is very important. And Nanangala Sudharya Badanangada Ruddhagra Pularpu Nishtam Babu Kadata Vanamo Grahane Bhavishrati. And feeling separation. And separation mood. Sadhak this separation mood. And when you come in the upper stage, and when your sadhan will be complete and siddha, then you can meet with Varnandana Samsundar and Vishwanandana Srimati Radhika, how they are meeting together in Nikunja Lila, and in their Nikunja Lila, how they are performing different kinds of sweet lila in this way. So according to the vision of sadhak, according to the vision of siddha, and both lila also explain in this and grantha the embarkment of separation, and how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is teaching to us, and Oi Nanda Tanja Kinkari, Oi Nanda Kinkari, Paditang me and Ram Kripaya Tava Pada Pankaja Dhulistita Dhuli Sadisha, and day and night crying, because crying, how will cry for Krishna? And Gaur Govinda Maharaj, he also explained this way. Sadhaka, how to cry for Krishna. So Purushottam Brat means actual these things. And how will he cry for Srimati Radhika? Or how will cry for and separation of Krishna? That means according to the side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was crying for Krishna, or in this way, and Krishna side, Krishna is crying for Srimati Radhika. So Purushottam Brat means is what? We have to cry. And Mahaprabhu himself told, Sadhak have to cry. Kende dako. My Gurudev also told, call to Lord, and within your crying mood, Chandan, crying mood. And He Radhe, Vadijo Lalite, He Nanda Suno Kuta, Sri Govardhan Kalpa Padvatadi, Kalindi Vane Kuta. Gosantaviti Sarvado Brevure, Kedari Maha Vihallo, Bande Rupa Sanatano, Rahujugo, Sijiba Gopaloko. Sargosami Ostakam, our Gosamis, how they cried for Krishna, Radhika, Brajvasi, and Jabuna, He Radhe, Brajolite, He Nanda Suno, Govardhana Kalpa Padvatadi, Kalindi Vane Kuta. Gosantaviti Sarvado Brevure, Kedari Maha Vihallo. And so much hankering. That hankering. How these things? Actual Purushottam Brat means actual crying breath. One word you can use this word, crying breath. And cry for Krishna. And mundane people, they are crying for wealth, money, wife, children, others. But in spiritual life, Purushottam Brat means you cry for Krishna. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली वदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कोई वो दुख के जाने मोर दुख, ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना फाटी मोर बुक. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying this way. And who actually try to understand and how we will cry for and Krishna day and night, and same mood is crying. He Radhe, he Lalite, he Bisake, and day and night crying and crying. Because without crying, you cannot get the valuable things. Gurudev just give an example. Just to finish my katha. One test lady, she has one small baby, maybe 3 or 4 months baby. But her husband every day, early in the morning, maybe 6 o'clock, 6 a.m., he have to go his office. So what she is doing? But she is alone. Just only she think what will do. Then she is also, but her small baby crying. That time she also, just only she gives some what is called sweets and or something also wooden and toys. The baby is licking. Baby is licking. Well, maybe this is sweet. Licking. But in the meantime, she also prepared for the breakfast, lunch for her husband. And very quick. Baby is thinking this is some sweets. Actually, this is what the wooden toy. Eh, but when babies realize this is also useless, wooden toys and no sweets, no anything, that time baby also give up everything and loudly crying and crying. Eh? Then the chaste lady, she will take back her baby on her lap and feed her breast. And but before she already prepared the lunch prasad for her husband. So in the same way, this is called the kala, to practice how to bhajan and sadhana. Eh? So that means when baby loudly crying, eh, then mother she will feed her breast. In the same way, when will only cry for Krishna, not for other things, not for any material things, even no la puja pradishtha, even no name, fame, reputation. Eh? That time Krishna will give mercy. For this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami Mono 6 explain, Pratishta sadhishta ramani sapacharamani, Pratishta sadhishta ramani sapacharamani, may hidi noted. Katham sadhu prema suchiritananuma. Even in our heart, in the small line of name and fame, there is Pratishta. Desire for name and fame. So how possible attain the Suddha Bhakti? So this is the very bhakti is very, very confidential. So, but we will cry for Krishna. Hey Krishna, I don't want this thing. As like Vitrasur, he praying to Krishna. Mama tamasloka janesu sakham sangsar chakre brahmat sakar mobhi tanmayato avitam asakta chittasya nanatha bhuvat. Vitrasur also explained, oh my Lord, according of my previous fruitive of action karma fall, maybe I will stay with my wife, children, husband, but I will not attach with them. My mind will be absorbed with them. Is it right? So Vitrasur, mamattama slokam janesu sakham, and always I will make friendship with your pure devotee. These are things. This is the mamattama slokam janesu sakham samsara chakra brahmata sakarmavi tanmayato asakta chittasya nanatha bhuvat. Oh my Lord, only one prayer, and how will I free from all kinds of attachment of my family's member? I will stay with my family member, but will not attach with them. I will serve my family's member. As like lotus, Kamal. Kamal resides in the water, but the leaves of the lotus, Kamal Patra. But the Kamal Patra not touch the water, or water not touch the Kamal Patra. Patra means what? Leaves. Kamal Patra in this. In the same way, this is the art of life. What is the art of life? This is the art of life. Our Shastra is not saying they give up your wife, give up your children, give up. Not saying this way. Our Shastra is saying, chodo mat jodo. Jodo means don't give up everything. You have to, jodo means have to, jodo means have to, to add, added, added. One is jog, another is called biog. Biog means separation, separate. Jog means, what is called? Added. Add. What is that thing? That means you have to add it with Krishna. Krishna संगे जोड़ो. You have to, आप कृष्ण संगे जोड़ो, अपने स्त्री के, पत्नी को, बेटा, भाई, बहनी, सब कृष्ण के साथ जोड़ो. So while always you are saying छोड़ना नहीं, जोड़ना. Mayavadi impartiality, they are saying this is called, nahi, nahi, neti, neti, this is not, this is not. And giving up, this is not, this is not. And, but Gaudiya Vaishnava is saying no. Whatever is that, everything how to serve to Krishna. Eh? You inspire your wife how to serve to Guru and Krishna. You inspire your sons and daughter how to serve to Krishna. That means you are adding. Eh? क्या बोले? Adding. जोड़ रहे हो. So our Shastra is saying this way. Eh? So, so for this we are saying, Mamattama Sloka Janesu Sakkang Sangsara Chakre Brahmatra Sakarma Bhi Tanmaya to. According to your Maya, because we are staying in this material world. So for this regard, we have mother, father, wife, children, sister, and everything is there. But how to detach from them? I will not attach to them. But another point also, how to engage to them. That means how my wife, children, sons, daughters, they will all to serve to Krishna, Krishna Seva. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Krishna Sansar Karo Jive Daya Krishna Nam Sarva Dharma Sar. The essence of all dharma, nature, how to serve to Krishna. But first you also serve to Krishna and engage to them. This is the process. So our Krishna Sansar. So we are saying this, Krishna Sansar Karo Chhari Anachar. Chhari Anachar means give up all kinds of bad things. Understand? That means you have to avoid the four principles. Four principles. Don't eat meat and intoxication. You have to give up all these things. Maybe English understand or not. That means and four principles, that things you have to follow. And how to avoid all these things. This is very important. And how to, you also connected. And Jog means a connection. And how to all you connected with Krishna. And here Jog means connection. And connected with Krishna, with my wife, with my children, with my sons, and all we are served together to Krishna. And as like Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Vanulata Taravo Banyanti Jatha, Vanulata Taravo Banyanti Puspa Phaladha. In Vrindavan, and our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad or any commentary very nicely explained, in Vrindavan, only one religion. Who is that? Grihastha. Maybe will be loved. But in Vrindavan, no sannyasi, no brahmachari, no banprasthi, no brahmachari, grihastha, banprasthi. Only grihastha. Why? Because only they can serve to Krishna. She was saying Krishna Seva. So even the trees, creepers, flowers, fruits, all they are householders. The trees of Vrindavan, that is called householder, grihastha, and male person. The creepers of Vrindavan, that is called wife. Wife, she is always staying with her husband and assisting her husband. Understand? When husband doing puja, what is the duty of the husband? A wife, to prepare all the ingredients, prepare for all the paraphernalia of puja, and assist her husband. This is the rules also these things. And when husband tried to sit to worship to Krishna, that time wife duty is what? To arrange all kinds of paraphernalia of puja samagri. Dhoop, deep, naivedya, cooking, eating, and then husband will properly come and quiet to worship to Krishna. And wife and children, they can also play mridanga, kartal, and sing also. They can sing one song also, and everything. This also. So in Vrindavan, that is called Banolata Tarva Banyanti Puspa Phaladha. In Srimad Bhagavatam also we have in Vrindavan trees and creepers flowers, fruits. So I also the trees of Vrindavan, that is called the male person, grihastha. And creepers, they are called household, what is called wife and stree. And fruits, that is called the son. And flowers is the significance of the daughter. So look in Vrindavan how they are also then. What is God saying? The Krishna samsar karo hari anachar jive daya Krishna nam sarva dharmakar. Yeah. So Vitrasur also his last prayer, and he is saying this also, this श्लोक, ये ममत्तम श्लोक जनेषु सखं संसार चक्रे भ्रमत सकर्म भी तन्मायत आसक्त चित्तस्थ ननाथ हुआ। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि बोल। बोलो पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय। And in this way we will absorb in Purushottam Vrat, feeling separation from Brajavasis, and because how Brajavasis they feel, they also serve to Krishna, and Krishna is feeling in these things. And same Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is feeling how Krishna, and so with both India, Krishna Lila and Gaur Lila. So saying Gaura Govinda Lila, Sune Gale Sila, Tate Mor Na Hui Lati. Krishna, so it is a Gaura Govinda Lila, Gaur Lila and Govinda Lila. Yamani Chaitanya Charitamritam and Srimad Bhagavatam. Both. In this month of Purushottam, you also read Govinda Lila Amrit Grantha, that means Krishna Lila Katha, and also Gaura Lilamrit Katha, that is called Chaitanya Charitamritam. And the deep meaning, Govinda Lilamrit Katha and Sri Krishna Bhavnamrit Katha. This is also very important. So, according of your level, you can read and you can listen, but you have to feeling separation from Krishna or Srimati Radhika. The same mood of Srimati Radhika, a Krishna, and mood of Krishna. Good Premanandi Hari. Bolo Shri Gurudev ki jai 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 Sri Radha. Okay, now I'm feeling. Now I'm going to my Hindi class, and almost time is over. Chapter 43 ho gaya. I have no time to question and answer. Maybe you have a time, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe I will be talk with you, and also जो पिक्चर लेकर जाओ, जो भागवत लाया कि नहीं, जो हाँ डाल दिया, अभी वो पिक्चर कहाँ है? So we are arranging in Mathura on Bhagavad Saptaha 27th September to 3rd of October, and myself and Madhav Maharaj joined also speak Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha Amritam. And so maybe all you can listen Hari Katha and in your online. And so my heartily blessing to you. Good Premanandi Hari. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai 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 Sri Radha. Good Premanandi Hari.
Hare Krishna. As you heard, Gurudev had no time today. He had to go to the next class. We will see each other the 25th. Yes? Vanchakal Patrubhishya, Kripa Sindhubhya Evcha, Patitanam Pavanebhyo, Vaishnavebhyo, Namo Namaha. Haribol.